Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing my June Boxycharm. I got some really cool things, so make sure to check that out. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe. Alrighty, you guys, so when I opened the box, I had already reviewed it, but I noticed that it's mainly skincare, and I was going to do like my whole makeup and stuff first with my box, but it turned out to be a lot more skincare, so I just went ahead and did most of my makeup. There is like one or two makeup products that I'm going to show you guys, but the other three products are going to be at the end, so it's going to be like me taking off my makeup and doing those products. But yeah, this is, let's see, what month are we in? June? I can't believe it's June. This is June's monthly Boxycharm. So the theme is Dare to Dazzle. And yeah, the first product that I'm so excited to use is by the brand Touch in Soul. So beautiful packaging already. I did open this because I was super excited for this on the Boxycharm website. A multi-face palette with gorgeous gradient shades that uses your own natural beauty to glisten, bronze, and add the perfect flirty blush. So yeah, this is $34 and it looks just like this, just like the outside packaging, but then you open it. They are literally so shiny and glittery. I seriously can't wait to put these on my face. So there's like some blushes, a little bit of a bronzer, and like two highlighters. So this can be like a multi-use palette. Yeah, perfect for summer, getting your skin super glowy. I did go ahead and apply a little bit of a bronzer, but I'm gonna go ahead and just probably use a blush brush and then just put it all over my cheeks and see what it does. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and really dip into these middle shades. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of fallout. And I'm just gonna stamp it on my cheek. Okay, yep, hello glow, this is gorgeous. Maybe I possibly already used too much because my face is extremely glowy. I think I went in a little heavy-handed, so I'm just going to like take a little bit and then press it on my cheeks again. But this gives your face a beautiful glow. Putting it literally basically everywhere on my face. I'm just gonna try the bronzer shade, which it might be a little glowy for a bronzer shade, but yeah, I'm just gonna take a bronzer brush and then bronze up a little bit of the sides of my face. And then I'm just gonna take my sponge and just kind of press everything together into the skin. I love that. Look how pretty my face looks. It looks so glowy. I'm gonna take it up probably just one more notch and apply like the first shades. It's not even showing. Applying these few first shades on my cheeks just to give it a little bit more glow. I'm really gonna tap it out because it's going to get really shiny up in her. I'm just gonna highlight the inner corners of my eyes and then also my brow bone. So this is definitely a gorgeous multi-shadowed palette. You can take this and put it basically anywhere on your face, your eyes, wherever you want to use it. And because it has so many shades in there, you could use this all the time. It's gorgeous. I love it. And I really love the brand Touch in Soul. If you guys haven't checked them out, they're amazing. I seriously love so many of their products, and I've received all of their products through Boxycharm, and they are incredible. I don't know if they're like a newer brand or what the deal is, but I don't hear many people talking about them, and I love their brand so much. Next, I'm going to go in with this Aceology Overnight Lip Mask, which I know I could use this later on in the video when I show you guys the other skincare products, but my lips are really dry at the moment, and I haven't put on any lipsticks, so I'm going to go ahead and use this before I put on my lipstick. So this lip mask is here to give you your lips that extra smoochable edge. Oh, okay. A miracle worker will resurface your lips, boosting hydration and leaving them soft, supple, and smiling. This retails for $19. I absolutely love lip masks. I don't really care what brand it is. I love all lip masks. They seem to work really great, and I love to receive them in my box as well. So really cute packaging. I use the Laneige lip mask before I go to bed, and that stuff is great. A little expensive, so I mean, you know, use your best judgment, but this stuff will probably be pretty nice. Okay, first of all, it smells amazing, feels amazing. My lips feel incredible and very glossy. You could put this right over a lipstick too if you wanted to. Honestly, this doesn't have to be just for night because it's not like really sticky. My Laneige lip mask is obviously super heavy, and when you smudge your lips together, they kind of are very sticky and tacky. But this is very, very nice. So love this product. Like I said, you really can't go wrong with a lip mask. Okay, the next product in this box is by my most favorite brand ever, probably ever in the world of tanning, self tanner. This is by the brand Isle Paradise. I have basically all their products. Actually, let me show you guys. I feel like I basically own everything that they have sold. So I have the self-tanning butter, I have the self-tanning water in 2 different shades, I have the self-tanning drops, which are in my bathroom, which I use on my face. And I know they came out with this very new product actually not too long ago, and I did want to try it, but I was so shocked that Boxycharm ended up sending me this. So yeah, this is the Hyglo Body Hyaluronic Self-Tan Serum. It's a moisturizing, boosting self-tan serum infused with hyaluronic acid for visibly brighter, firmer, glowy skin all over. These retails for $35. So I was reading on the back here, it says apply 4 to 12 drops per body part directly to skin. Reapply as needed in place of a regular moisturizer. More drops equal deeper tan. So I don't know how well this is going to work because it's a gradual tan. I'm so used to like this being like immediate tan to like tomorrow. If I applied it today, it would be immediate tan like within 10 to 12 hours. And yeah, this shit is amazing. I use this all the time. I swear by it. I absolutely love the brand Isle Paradise. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on my legs today, probably not my whole body, because it says don't get your body wet while your tan develops, and it says your tan will develop in 4 to 6 hours. So I'm going to be going to work and I'm going to be getting a bunch of water on my arms, and I just get splashed with water. You know, being a hairstylist, you definitely get your hands and your arms and everything wet. So I'm just going to apply this on my legs, and we'll see how it looks tomorrow morning, if there even is a tan. Maybe even tonight I'll update you guys how this looks, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all over my legs. Okay, I'm gonna wash my face with this Glamglow Super Cleanse Clearing Cream to Foam Cleanser. This says it's actually for oily skin. It says it's oil fighting, mattifying, and clarifying, which my skin couldn't be any more dry right now. Like, it's literally peeling so much right here. But I definitely love the Glamglow face washes. They are super good. I've gotten actually a couple of them in my Boxycharm, so I'm excited to try this one out. And this product retails for $32. Ooh, it's a nice big ass bottle too, so that's amazing. It's a huge bottle. Let's see, it's 5 ounces, which is actually pretty good for a face wash. Like, I know my First Aid Beauty one is 8 ounces, so that's pretty good and big. A face wash in a box that's 25 bucks. That's pretty amazing. Okay, so first of all, I didn't know it was going to be black, like a charcoal mask, and it smells just like black licorice. Picture black licorice, it literally smells that way. So if you don't like black licorice, you would hate this right now. I can't say I like eating black licorice, but this actually feels kind of nice. I honestly feel like it might be nice to cleanse out some of my acne that I'm having, and yeah, just kind of clear away some of my imperfections. So also an update on the Isle Paradise tanning drops. I was going to show you my legs this morning, but they were tragic. I mean, really tragic. I think I put it on very splotchy and bad. So I think I'm gonna have to try it like maybe on my chest or my arms, like maybe in a smaller area, because my legs with that was just way too hard to apply. It honestly didn't really lather very far, and like the 4 to 12 drops or whatever didn't really do that much at all. So yeah, that was kind of disappointing, but I'm gonna still try it out. Like I said, I'm gonna apply it on my body and see how well it works. I'm gonna wash this off. Okay, my face feels super cleansed right now. It feels very, very clean, and it doesn't make my face feel too dry. So maybe just because it's a mattifying cleanser, maybe it's not going to make my skin too dry. If it does, they sent me a face mask, so I'm going to try out the face mask next here, and then I'm going to hop in the bath. But yeah, the masks that they sent me, there's 2 of them and they retail for $18. It's this big long thing by the brand Vitamasques. I can't even pronounce that. Vita something. Nourish and Glow. So I don't even know which one I'll pick today. I don't really like sheet masks, but sheet masks are kind of fun. But they always look very weird on your face. So yeah, that's basically all. Like I said, 18 bucks for, I'm gonna assume 2 masks. I don't think each individual one is $18. If they are $18 each, that's really expensive, but I think for 2 of them, it's 18 bucks. So yeah, I'm gonna pop that on and then I'll let you know how my skin feels right after. Honestly, can somebody tell me who the heck sheet masks are made for? Like, I know my nose is big, but it's not this big. And my eyes and brows, whatever, it's fine. This is why I don't use sheet masks, but overall, I think they're kind of fun and it feels nice and I can't really talk. But I'll let you guys know how my face feels once I take this off. I can't smile. Alrighty, so fresh out of the shower, the mask was fine. Like, it wasn't like raveable, but it wasn't bad. I actually did enjoy it. It was just funky, as all sheet masks are. I did reapply the lip mask since it's nighttime, and it feels amazing. Like, honestly, I would have to say my 3 favorite products from the box are the lip mask, the face wash, and then that bronzing blush highlighter trio, whatever that thing was. It was awesome. But yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe.